Hurricane Beryl, now a Category 5 hurricane, max sustained winds at 160 miles per hour. And right now, the remnants of it still have a chance of making it to Texas. We've got a 20 to 30% chance of showers this weekend and even on into Monday. There's a look at Beryl in the Caribbean headed west, actually moving at a pretty good clip for a hurricane at 22 miles per hour. It's likely to weaken a little bit or gradually as it treks westward toward the Yucatan Peninsula by Friday, and then into the Gulf of Mexico, most likely as a tropical storm by Saturday. Thereafter, anything is possible. The latest run of the computer models has an even bigger spread than what we had before and more possibilities. So this, of course, is still trying to get figured out. We're going to need more time, but there is a chance it could bring us some much needed rain. We'll keep you updated.